Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the widescreen problem in Counter-Strike. So let's start. Now for the first method, go to your desktop and then right click. After that select display settings. Now once this pop up, scroll down to the scale and layout section. After that go to display resolution and make sure you put it on 1920 x 1080p, which is the recommended one. After that close everything. Now for the second method, go to the Windows search bar, search for registry editor. After that go to each key current user, double click. After that search for software, open it, scroll down until you find Valve. After that open it. Now search for Half-Life and open it. After that select settings. This will open. Now for the next step, make sure to go to the display width, double click on it, and then make sure to change the base to decimal and make sure to put it on 1920. After that select OK, and then go to display height, put it on decimal again, and make sure to change it to 1080, and then select OK. Now once you do that, make sure to close everything and your problem should be solved. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.